In a world filled with noise and distractions, where can we find the essence of truth? Join us on a captivating journey as we embark on a quest to unveil the essence of Buddhism. Are you ready to discover the truth? Our journey begins by exploring the ancient roots of Buddhism. We'll explore its origins, its founder, and the historical context that shaped this profound spiritual tradition. As we immerse ourselves in the teachings, we'll unravel the profound wisdom embedded within Buddhist philosophy. From the Four Noble Truths to the Eightfold Path, we'll uncover the transformative power of these timeless principles. Buddhism is often associated with the pursuit of enlightenment. We'll venture into the depths of this spiritual journey, exploring meditation techniques, mindfulness practices, and the path towards liberation from suffering. Along our journey, we'll challenge common misconceptions about Buddhism. We'll separate fact from fiction, dispelling myths that may cloud our understanding of this profound tradition. At the core of Buddhism lies a deep commitment to compassion and empathy. We'll explore how Buddhist teachings inspire individuals to cultivate kindness, not only towards others, but also towards themselves. Mindfulness, a central practice in Buddhism, has gained global recognition. We'll uncover its transformative effects on mental well-being, stress reduction, and the cultivation of a more meaningful life. Buddhism emphasizes living in harmony with others and the world around us. We'll witness how individuals embody these values through acts of generosity, environmental stewardship, and social responsibility. In our quest for truth, we'll discover the universal principles embedded within Buddhism. We'll explore the intersections between Buddhism and other spiritual traditions, recognizing the common threads that unite humanity. Through our journey, we'll encounter the transformative power of Buddhism on the individual level. We'll witness how it awakens the inner self, fosters personal growth, and empowers individuals to live with purpose. Join us on this enlightening expedition as we unveil the essence of Buddhism, unlocking profound truths that have the potential to transform our lives and the world around us. Are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Let's continue to explore the depths of wisdom and truth. Until then, may your path be filled with enlightenment.